Got a PSE file from a photo editing project. This is a Photoshop Elements creation, the consumer-friendly sibling of professional Photoshop that millions use for photo editing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open these project files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult PSE files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. PSE files are project files from Adobe Photoshop Elements, containing multi-layer edited images with adjustment layers, text overlays, and effects. They store the complete editing workspace, preserving non-destructive edits for consumer photo editing and creative projects. Adobe Photoshop Elements. PSE files use a proprietary format closely related to PSD, storing raster layers, adjustment layers, layer masks, text layers, and effect configurations. The format preserves the complete layer stack for continued non-destructive editing in Photoshop Elements. The PSE format is inextricably linked to the application Adobe Photoshop Elements from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows handles display duties well, but editing tasks belong in specialized image editors. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your PSE file, then click Open With. Try Adobe Photoshop Elements first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If the PSE file is still giving you trouble, relax. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your PSE problem. First, opening in Photoshop Elements. Launch Adobe Photoshop Elements and open the PSE file using File, then Open. All layers, adjustments, and effects display in the Layers panel. Navigate between Expert and Quick Editing modes to access different toolsets for continued editing of your photo project. Next, opening in Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop can open PSE files as they share a similar layer format with PSD files. Use File, then Open and select the PSE file. Most layers, effects, and adjustments translate directly. Some elements. Specific features may require manual adjustment in the full Photoshop environment. Finally, exporting final images. In Photoshop, Elements use File, then Save, as to export as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or PSD format. JPEG creates a flattened, compressed image for sharing. PSD preserves layers for editing in full Photoshop. Use File, then Save for web for optimized images sized for email or social media posting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.